Good morning, students. How are you? I think I thought that you are fine. Last sessions finished A reading and B reading of 9th standard. A reading, the snake and the mirror completed. B reading, here is a poem completed. That is Duck and Kangaroo. And next C reading, Little Bob. Now, children, all of you should open your textbook. So, put before yourself, open your textbook, page number 20. That is, here is a little Bobby. Generally, childhood is a God's gift for each and everyone. Everyone should enjoy childhood. Everyone. So here, a little boy, how he enjoyed and how he misbehaved. That is, he is not disciplined. He is a mischievous person. Who was Bobby? Then, at that time, how he was changed. So in this lesson, let us generally, when I was a little boy, the circumstances were different. When you are a little boy, the circumstances are different. When your father was a little boy, the circumstances were different. So here, the circumstances, that is conditions, situations, different from one generation to another generation. One generation to another generation. For example, olden days, that is in the year 1950s or 1970s, that is, everyone should respect elders' words. No hesitation. No hesitation. Everyone should give respect to elders' words. So here is, we are going to say any grandparents or father or mother afraid that. Even parents, we are afraid that. But hesitation. But the present generation, no hesitation, no fear, not at all. Even grandparents or parents, no hesitation. Some, they are going to blackmail the elder people. If they want something, they are going to blackmail. This is the present situation. So why the situation should change is because of the circumstances. Because of the circumstances and modern innovations. Okay. So now let us see the page number 20. First I am going to read the first paragraph. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Here is little Bobby. Then here is mother. And here is God. So here is Bobby came to his kitchen, his kitchen. So who was in the kitchen? His mother was there. What she was doing? She was making dinner for her family. So generally, when there is anyone else, the children that is of completion of school, they go directly kitchen. They are searching for their mother. So if they want anything like that, directly they go to the kitchen and they should express what they wanted. Here also Bobby went to his kitchen. At that time his mother was making a dinner. So next, his brother was coming up and he thought that this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Why Bobby came to kitchen? So here his brother was there the next few days. So he wanted to ask something for his birthday, on occasion of his birthday. So he wanted to express something generally. Nowadays, they asked about their wishes, about their demands directly. That is, if I can do a thing, if you want to bring something to you, then I will do it. So here is there. Nowadays, blackmailing is there. Some children, they are going to like that. Here, Bobby. So he wished that he wanted something for his birthday. So that he went to his kitchen. So in the kitchen, his mother was making a dinner. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. So here Bobby, here that is what he wanted, that is bike. Here is birthday. For his birthday, he wanted a bike for his birthday. How? Bobby is asking in a demand manner. He is asking demand manner, serious manner. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Here I refers to Bobby. He wanted a bike for his birthday. So demanding nature. We found that here Bobby asked a bike for his birthday, demanding nature, not requestful manner. This is the difference between present generation and the past generation. Past generation, they didn't ask anything to their parents, naturally. But nowadays, we found many, so in a demand nature. Children asking in a demand nature, not soft manner. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. Here, what is the meaning of troublemaker? One who makes troubles, a disturbance, one who makes noise outside in the world. At school, that is a troublemaker. So he is creating a nonsense things in the street. He is making so much disturbances, quarrels, one and each other at his school. So Bobby's mother knew that her son was a troublemaker, most indisciplined student. So one who causes troubles. Note down the meaning. Troublemaker means one who causes troubles. Third paragraph is over. Then next paragraph. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. So in this way he is creating disturbances or nuisance or anything or quarrels at his school and at his home. So that he is an indisciplined fellow. That is, he is not maintained anywhere else peaceful environment. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. That is here. His mother thought that, Bobby, do you want a bike? Just for a thing, for a while? In what way you are asking? A bike for your birthday? Is it right? Do you deserving for a bike? In this way, mother asking in this manner. బాబీ నీకు బైక్ కావాలా నీ బర్త్డేకి కరెక్ట్గా నువ్వు అడిగిన దాంట్లో ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసుకో. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ దిస్ మేనర్ హియర్ ఈస్ బాబీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్ ఇంట్రాస్పెక్షన్ హౌ ఐ వాజ్ డూయింగ్, వాట్ అబౌట్ మై బిహేవియర్, వాట్ అబౌట్ మై మేనరిజం, వాట్ అబౌట్ మై బిహేవియర్ అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ మై మేనరిజం. దట్ ఈస్ సో డిజర్వ్ మీన్స్ quality to have, that is deserved means eligible. Note on the meaning, children. Deserved means eligible. Next the beginning of the paragraph I told you troublemaker means here one who causes troubles, one who causes troubles. Next meaning is here is deserved means eligible. So here his mother, Bobby, if you want a bike, you have qualified for it. Really, బాబీ నీకు నిజంగా బైక్ కావాలని అని ఉంటే నువ్వు గుడ్ పర్సన్ అయితే డిజైనింగ్ మీన్స్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ గుడ్ క్వాలిటీ. ఎలిజిబుల్ నీకు డెఫినెట్గా వస్తుంది. దీని అర్థం బాబీ వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఇండైరెక్ట్గా ఇస్తుంది. బాబీ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ బికాస్ యు ఆర్ quarrelsome guy. You are a quarrelsome guy. So here children, the relation here mother and Bobby, that is son and here mother. So mother wanted to change her son's behavior, her son's attitude, her son's behavior and her son's attitude. So she wanted to bring some change in son's, especially his behavior and his attitude compared to previous year. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Okay. I think I knew. That is, he is going to think about how I was last year. What about my behavior, mannerism? What about my attitude last year? What I did, everything. Bobby's mother wanted to Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said that is. So what Bobby's mother wanted? His mother wanted only to reflect. Now children, reflect means change here. Reflect means here change. Reflect means here, note down children, reflect means here change. What's here? To think. Think about seriously here there is. Think about seriously. Think about seriously. That is reflect means here change. What about change here? His behavior, his mannerism from the last year to this year. Okay, so many birthdays are gone. Every birthday, every individual, everyone to take a decision which is very good, which is very useful for them. Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Bobby, just think about, go to your room and think about how you behaved last year. This is a small thing that is here. Small thing to convey Bobby's mother. Go to your room and think about yourself, how you behaved last year. And say, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Okay, then you should write a letter to your God. Why you wanted a bike for your birthday. Bobby, ఒకసారి నీ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళి ఆలోచించుకో, నీకు బైక్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నావో వద్దనుకుంటున్నావో ఆలోచించుకుని లెటర్ రాయి. యూ హ్యావ్ రైట్ లెటర్ టు గాడ్. వై యూ వాంట్ ఏ బైక్ ఫర్ హిస్ బర్త్డే. నీ బర్త్డే బైక్ నువ్వు ఎందుకు కావాలనుకున్నావు అవి విషయాన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వే టు గాడ్. సో యూజ్ టు write a letter to you, that is to your God. Him here refers to God. So in this way Bobby is thinking. So actually he knew about how his behavior and how his mannerism, everything. Little Bobby stumped. Stumped means this is like that. Here is father getting water. Stumped means walking. So generally we found that here is not now, for olden days here is there. So their children does not like to do anything here. Child does not like to hear it. This is like that. This is like that. Here is using a heavy, full strength energy. That is here is foot over the land, over the floor. Thumb. That is here walked angrily and noisy. Note of the children. Stumped means walked angrily and noisily. Walked angrily and noisily. So stumped up to the steps to his room. That is, he went to his room. Very serious manner. Jesse here is there. Who was Jesse? Here is Jesse. So a pet dog. So here is there. Jesse, a pet dog of himself, that is Bobby's pet dog, followed him. So here who followed? Jesse. Jesse means a pet dog followed to Bobby. What he does. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Then he sat on his cot and he thought for a while. He sat down relaxedly and he thought for a while. Then he started to write a letter to God. Jesse sat beside him. Who sat beside Jesse? Jesse means who? A pet dog of Bobby. So, dog, that is Jesse sat himself. That is Bobby's himself. Jesse sat beside him. Beside means by the side of. And started watching what Bobby was doing. What Jesse was doing here? Jesse was doing what Bobby was doing. Just Jesse was observing what Bobby is going on. So here he is watching what Bobby was doing. Now children, here is page number, here is second phase, here is 21. Now children, here is generally, it is a simple thing. Here is a troublemaker. Everyone that is did, here is troubles. So generally childhood is everyone should enjoy childhood themselves definitely. So here is present demanding nature is there, here blackmailing is there, but olden days no demand, no hesitation here there. Everyone should hesitate. ఏదైనా పేరెంట్స్ అడగాలన్నా గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ అడగాలన్నా కూడా మొహమాటం ఏమీ అనలేనటువంటి స్థితి. పేరెంట్స్, elder people, we should give good respect to them. So old, at present generation, no respect. No one should give respect to elder people and no hesitation. So here is demanding nature. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మనం ఈ మాట ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా అనుకుంటారో అంటే ఫియర్ కూడా లేదు. పేరెంట్స్ ఏమైనా అనుకుంటారో అని ఈ మాట అంటే వాళ్ళు బాధపడతారు అనే ఫీలింగ్ అనేది ఎక్కడ కూడా ప్రజెంట్ జనరేషన్లో కనిపించట్లేదు. పిల్లలు డిమాండింగ్ నేచర్లో ఉన్నారు. నాకు ఇది కావాలి, బర్త్డేకి ఇది కావాలి, ఇట్లా అయితే నేను చేసుకుంటాను, ఇట్లా అయితే నేను బయటకు వస్తాను, ఇట్లా అయితే మీరు చెప్పించేస్తాను అన్నటువంటి నేచర్. బట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ఓల్డెన్ డేస్? ఓల్డెన్ డేస్ అది కాదు. పేరెంట్స్ ఏది ఇస్తే అది ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం. అరే ఈరోజు ఈ సంవత్సరం నీ బర్త్డే చేయట్లేదురా, యూ హ్యావ్ నో న్యూ క్లోత్స్, పూర్ కండిషన్స్, వీఆర్ ఇన్ పూర్ కండిషన్స్, సో వీ డోంట్ బై న్యూ క్లోత్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ బర్త్డే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు జస్ట్ క్యారీ. అరే నీకు బర్త్డేకి బట్టలు ఎవరైనా కొనలేకపోయా, కొంచెం పెద్ద ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితులు బాగాలేదు, మరి సర్దుకోరంటే నానా బర్త్డే నేను చేసుకోపోయాను అనేటువంటి జనరేషన్ ఓల్డ్ జనరేషన్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు అట్లా కాదు, డిమాండ్ చేస్తారు ముందే. సో బిఫోర్ 1 month, బిఫోర్ 2 months ముందే సో డిమాండింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో హియర్ బాబీ వాళ్ళ మదరు బాబీలో రిఫ్లెక్షన్ మీన్స్ థింకింగ్, థాట్స్, చేంజ్, బిహేవియర్లో చేంజ్ ఎట్లా తీసుకురావాలి, బాబీని ఎట్లా మార్చాలి. సో హౌ షీ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ మదర్. బాబీ ఈజ్ కేర్ డిమాండింగ్ నేచర్. సో హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే బాబీ స్టార్టెడ్ టు రైట్ a letter to, that is to God. So here is Jesse, a pet dog. So this is the first phase completion. Now second phase, next. So how Bobby is going to write letters to God? What about the response of God? Did God give any response to anyone else? If you want ask anything to God, God give a good response. Definitely, if our wish is genuine, our wish is prompt and genuine. భగవంతుడు మనం అడిగినవన్నీ కూడా ఇస్తాడు. ఎప్పుడు ఇస్తాడు? మనం అడిగిన దాంట్లో జెన్యూన్ ఉంటే, కరెక్ట్, రియల్, ట్రూత్. బట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఈస్ గాడ్? దెన్ హౌ హీ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ in Bobby's reflections. What about does God give a bike for Bobby's birthday or not? Let us see you next session. Now children, I told many times to you, I interacted many classes to you. One thing I have to say, that is you should do one thing. After completion of my explanation, you should take textbook. I have told already page number here is 20. First page completed. Just go through, read once, twice, thrice. Then try to understand what I am explaining. So you understood that. Then note down difficult meanings with the help of vocabulary at the end of the textbook and some words find in your dictionary. Okay, because comprehension mode, you are preparing, you are reading, everything is in comprehension method. Okay children, thank you.